everybody. My name is Daryl, and I like to do a lot of videos about textiles and clothing and everything that is related to that. I don't want to spend a lot of time yapping about what I like and what I don't like and everything. What this is a TEMU haul. You know what those are. And so I'm just going to show you what I got. It's all clothes and a little bit of jewelry. I started this buying things for Christmas presents, and so for every present I bought for a family member, I bought a couple of things for me. And so I wanted to show you what they were. I have more coming, and if I were to wait for it all to arrive, well, it would be a really long video and you'd have to settle in. This I'll try and make somewhat short. So let's start out here. What a great place to get glasses. TEMU, these are, there's 6 pair of them in a variety of colors. And they were, I think, $10 for 6 pairs. I don't have all of them right here, but some really pretty blue ones. So for a person who loses her reading glasses all the time, these were a pretty good deal. Let's move right along over to here. And this is some of the jewelry I've been getting. I got this fascination with bows, so I have these in every iteration that they have online in gold and silver. They cost about $1 a pair. And then these cost about 50 cents for the ear wraps. Okay, let's move on to some clothing items. I couldn't decide how to best show them to you, and so I think I'm just gonna show you what it is, and then I'll wrap back around and show you how I've styled them. This is the French Spring Garden tulle skirt. And I got on this tulle kick when I was buying Christmas presents because they have amazing skirts. Look at this. This is a size large, and I have learned to size down a little bit from the size guide on TEMU after buying far too many things. I think the only items at this point that I would pay attention to the size guide literally is for non-stretch items and denim, things like that, because I've bought far too many things now that are just way too big. So I'm trying to go a little smaller on this, and in fact, one of these items I bought that I did buy a second one because I wanted to size down on it. I have another TEMU sweater I'm going to pair up with that skirt. I think it's just going to be so cute. Woo! These are the bow track pants, and I got these in a size extra large. They're the Y2K track pant. I just think they're sweet. I really can't wait to try these on. I figured with some of these, if I go at the extra large, that if they're too big, I can take them in. If they're too small, I can't. This one, I can't wait to style. Oh boy. The quality of this stuff is extremely good. I have been so pleased with everything that I have bought from TEMU. Very nice quality. How's that? Woohoo! Matches my sweater. Maybe we can try this. This amazing skirt came in black and silver and this rose color, and it was $5.59. This is a case of an item that I reordered in a smaller size. These are a size medium. The original pair I bought were extra larges and they were huge. not in a way where you could even take them in. They were just giant. So look at these. Kind of a barrel leg. And they're in they're kind of a gauze cotton sort of look. Anyway, I love the brown right now, and so I can't wait to see how these fit. $10.27. Okay, this is the top that also I rebought. And I'm gonna try it on with the brown pants, I think, and these shoes that I got. I think that'll be super cute. We'll try and keep all my Temu purchases in one outfit. So seeing a lot of this type of stuff for spring. So this is a medium. This is the white blouse that is the bow blouse. And this is a size medium. And it was $7.06. I really wanted a fleece crossbody bag. And this is a little bit smaller than what I would have liked, but it's very close to that well-known brand that I own two of. But I just didn't get on it fast enough to get a fleece one. And so we'll see what, I think this will look cute with cozy sweaters and things like that. But first I have to adjust it, so I won't do that right now. $3.68. This is this ear wrap again, which was 48 cents. Check this out. This is one ear. This is the other ear. Let's see if I can make it quit wobbling. There we go. So anyway, you have the free bird on one side, and then you have the bird cage on the other side. They're so cute. $1.49. Oh, I bought two of them. It's gonna be cute. So I misread this. The bird and the bird cage earrings were $2.11, and the just the bird hoops were $1.49. And in another video, I ordered a bolo, and I was so impressed with it that I thought I'd buy another one. And I bought these for my sister for Christmas, and they were so stinking cute that I had to get myself a pair. They're shoes, and I'll tell you, when you open them up, they really smell like glue. Whoo-wee. So I just left hers out for a day, and the smell went away. But I mean, you know, you got to get all of these crystals on there somehow. Aren't they sweet? So I'm gonna put some of this on and show you a couple outfits. I'll be right back. Okay, are you ready for some Temu try on? Here we go. Here's my sassy earrings. Now this is a sweater. It is so soft. And look, isn't this so cute with the ties? This is a repurchase. I bought it originally in a medium or large, and it was very big. This is a small. So, and I'm generally not a size small, so it's an oversized cut. And here's my skirt. And then here's my cute little shoes, aren't they? Aren't those nice? Those are from another Temu haul just before Christmas. I want to try something with this sweater, so hang tight. I'm thinking these bows might be cute in the back. But I want to see how the shoulders, that's not bad. Let me put a necklace on. Maybe my bolo. Okay, this is sadly a little tighter in the arms than what I like. It's polyester, so it might have a little more give. It fits me better through the shoulders. Part of it is I have good guns. As opposed to fat arms. We don't say fat arms, they're good guns. Anyway, this is just so cute. And I said I have it in a size large also. This is a medium. The fabric is just kind of a polyester, but it looks like cotton, but I don't think it is. Okay, here we are again with this cute blouse. And then these are these kind of beachy pants, these cottony pants. So I'm hoping you can see them there. So here's what I wanted to try. Oh my gosh, what a perfect fit. Oh, I'm so thrilled. Sometimes shoes from Temu run the gamut a little bit because I've gotten them where they are too small and other times when they're too big. So let's see these. But these, for being slingbacks, they are a wonderful, perfect fit. So I would take off my silver jewelry and put on the gold stuff that I have. So now we've got track pants and the sequin skirt. All right, sequin skirt. Isn't that awesome? I wanted to dress it down with the t-shirt. Oh, I love it. It is just so cute. Just stretchy, very comfortable, not at all itchy. So I thought it matched my sweater that I just happened to have on. And so I want to see how it looks like this. I'm not entirely sure what kind of footwear I would wear. It would depend on what the shirt was. That's kind of cute. Or you could do a little half tuck here. My preferred method of oh, you guys, these track pants are the bomb. They are, mwah. Look at them. Aren't they cute? The side, oh my gosh. I just think they're such a brilliant take on the bow and the track pants. And you know what? I'm so pleased with this. I'm gonna keep it on all the rest of the day. And say thanks for watching. And I will do a few more of the Temu hauls. I am so impressed with their quality and a lot of their designs. And so I will be keeping these things. They aren't going anywhere. Bye, you guys.